very, very slippery.
So here we are, out using the fake GoPro. Ignore the date in the bottom left hand corner, as I haven't worked out how to change that yet. The temperature is -2 and we are at the Gloucester car boot sale. Let's go and have a look and see what we can find.
That's a clock. Frozen laptops. You can turn around and say Windows is frozen. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. Toys. What have we got here?
Whole M&M's for game.
Yeah. I like that. Excuse me?
Yeah,
How much you want for the hot rod here?
that's a tenner.
Tenner?
Yeah, he's a proper M&M one. I brought him back from America when I was out in America. What you do, you put the sweets in the hurler,
Yeah.
lift his arm up, and they just charge him at the boot, out the boot hurler.
Oh, so yeah, at the back.
Yeah.
Alright, but if it's still there, I'll have a look again later. Cheers.
Yeah.
Oh. There's a couple. Morning, just M3 tar. Oh, I ain't got it changed. You're alright with it? Oh, I've only got 20s as well. Jackie, have you got a pen coin? No, there's the trouble with blasted cash points on the morning. You got a pen coin? Probably maybe. Got some empty sweet wrappers.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. See anything potterish? Oh, pardon me. Oh, I was listening back to me that when I was doing that video when I was putting the engine stand together. I was sat there. I don't know, look, you were. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh, look. It's from Chipping Norton.
11 V4000.
Can you get in?
No. You gotta put it on the floor and get a second to
Yeah, I know. You have to do that over a manhole cover.
Yeah, I'd fall into the manhole collar and break your neck.
Then loads of rats come running out and people go, bloody hell, it really is. It's this. Oh, baskets. And hedgehog brushes. What did one owl say to the other? How are you doing? Looked like action man, I had the phase over there. Ooh, there we go. Mind if I lift this up onto the table?
Yeah, just put it there.
Oh, cheers.
Heavy, isn't it?
Oh, so my knees don't last down there anymore on the floor level. If I stay down more than about 4 or 5 minutes, I'll be down there for the rest of the day.
I get it to that stage, you know.
Oh, blimey, yeah.
Getting down is getting up, I have the problem.
Yeah, that's it. Getting down's easy sometimes. You just go down with a big clump. Oh, my lovely. I'll be with you in a sec. That Jeep's not mine. I think that was it. Apart from the one that attracted me to the box, there was a transit van on there. I can't find it now. Ooh. Waka waka. I think that's about it, I think. Yeah. How much have we got there?
£7.
Huh?
£7. One, two, three. £3.50.
£3.50. See, I've only got, the machine gave me bloody £20 notes. Oh no, it gave me a tenner as well. It's alright. There we go, mate. Just lose their tie. No, it's alright, thank you. I have my Sherpa with me today.
Oh, yeah.
£3.50 there.
There we go, bud.
Yep.
Thank you. These videos seem to do quite well. Well, that other one does. It's the biggest viewed video in the last 6 months.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing?
Race against time.
Friends.
Friends. That can stay there. Friends. This one probably the most worst television program ever invented.
You know, I've never watched it.
Oh, I've watched about 4 episodes, and that was too much by far. And I was misfortunate enough to meet the guy that plays what's his name? Roth. Yeah, in it, on a plane out to the States, and he's an arrogant, ignorant arsehole. Excuse me, I'm sort of filming for my YouTube channel. Well, they know what I think of him now.
Out. The Incredibles. How much is that Mickey
No,
Mouse one?
just to say that.
£3.
Oh, you got the change now.
Yeah, I got one. Oh no, it's a haggle, aren't they? Haggle. There you go. It's too early in the morning.
Where have you come from?
Wales.
I sort of should have guessed that by that. Whereabouts?
You ever seen a Brecon?
Oh, right.
You need to come down in the
Blimey.
100 miles.
Yeah, you must be heading out towards Welshpool way, sort of somewhere. Oh no, beyond that, farther west than that, isn't it?
Further down. Carmarthen?
Yeah. Oh, bloody hell, you come from that direction. I was thinking north of Brecon.
It's like a 3-hour drive.
1.5, 2 hours.
It depends how fast you're going.
I don't. I don't save on fuel.
Ah.
Fuel is too expensive.
You set
Oh, tell me about it.
It's very expensive now, isn't it?
Oh, is it ever? You ain't got a bag, have you, by any chance?
Back.
The nose is making my nose run. The nose, the cold's
Clear
making
in
my
mine.
Was it?
Nice, yeah.
Cold today, isn't it?
Was it -2 when we got out of the car? So it must have been a bit colder than that when you got here. Thank you. Oh, is it? Bloody, it's too cold, isn't it? Roll on spring. I'm not too worried about summer. It gets too hot, but spring's good. Bloody is it ever, yeah. New life. See you later, guys. Alright, just them two, sir. I have to get my other half again, so I'm unless you can break a £20 note, that's a bit risky for that little money, isn't it? Jackie, have you got any change again? Tell you what, if I give you £20, you just give me all your change. That's a good deal, isn't it? That's a bad deal. If I give you £20 to go and find things, you look after that.
I don't think there's much left. How much do you need?
40 pence, actually.
Yeah, who's seat covered?
Just
Do you want the 20-inch change then? Look at that. It is, isn't it? There we go, yeah. £20 and 40p it's cost me. Thanks very much, mate. Huh?
put your cards in. Put your cards in your pocket or something.
Let's put them in here. With Michael Mouse. Hey, pocket buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't spend it all on sweets.
Can I get sweets?
Yeah,
Oh.
no sweets.
Oh, that's nice. Huh? Oh yeah, I just realised. We don't buy off that man with a nice little car on it because he charges way too much. Do you know what I reckon these guys do?
Which ones?
I reckon they go over the tip. Just pick anything and bring it back. There's no Potter. What's that? The Magician's Apprentice Handbook.
And at this point, my good lady got distracted by Persian carpets, and we ended up buying one. And that was pretty much the end of the day. It was so cold that the car boot attendees were a small bunch. There wasn't a lot of diecast about, but I did come home with some. So check back soon to see what I found, but that will only be following after the last 2 episodes of 48 Black Walls. Take care and see you soon.